We've always been calculated growth on what type of properties we want to work with, what type of customers. We've never grown just to grow. Future for Scott's Lawn Care, we're really excited about robotic mowing. Robotic mowing works, we currently have to install wires into the ground that we want to keep the mower in. So it's kind of like a dog fence, and that line lets the mower know where its boundaries are. We can adjust mowing heights, and actually all that can be done from our phone or a computer in our office. The nice thing about the blades, they're very tiny. They're a 4-sided blade. The mower itself changes its rotation every time it's out mowing, so you can use multiple sides of the blade. So that's how you get the life out of it. We don't just go head first into it. We definitely test it for years sometimes to make sure it's going to work and it's going to fit for our service and quality we're trying to provide.